If you're spending hours in Excel or Google Sheets, writing formulas or working with databases, this AI tool will blow your mind. In the past, mastering spreadsheets meant learning VLOOKUP, sorting, formatting, and pivot tables. Now, AI does it all for you. And here's a simple example. We're working with a dataset of about 100 rows, each representing a purchase in a simulated national retail chain. Inside, you'll find product categories, customer ages, sales channels, transaction values, and the cities where the purchases were made. Now watch how easy this becomes. We simply upload that Excel file into ChatGPT and type a single prompt. Please analyze the uploaded Excel file of retail sales and generate 2 KPI metrics and 4 data visualizations that would be most useful for an executive dashboard. Also explain why you chose each. Within seconds, ChatGPT reads the file, processes the numbers, and automatically creates professional charts: sales by category, sales by region, online versus in-store performance, and even the top cities by revenue. But it doesn't stop at visuals. It also generates a written summary of the findings, highlighting what matters most for executives. This way you get both the graphs and the insights, ready to present in a clean, dashboard-style format without ever touching a formula. That's just one example. But what about other powerful AI tools, like Claude? We took the exact same retail sales file and tried uploading it to Claude, first as an Excel file and then again after converting it to CSV. In both cases, we used the same prompt. Please analyze the uploaded Excel file of retail sales and generate 2 KPI metrics and 4 data visualizations that would be most useful for an executive dashboard. Also explain why you chose each. Claude did return some textual analysis, but it failed to generate visible charts or complete visualizations, neither from the Excel file nor from the CSV version. This highlights one of Claude's current limitations. While it can summarize or discuss the data in words, it struggles to transform structured files into actual graphs and dashboards the way ChatGPT does. But remember, AI tools aren't perfect. Always review results, confirm accuracy, and be cautious with large files. Tools may crash with 10,000 plus rows. If you're a business owner, marketer, or anyone working with data, these tools are a game changer. They turn raw numbers into practical insights in minutes. You don't want to miss what's coming next. 2 powerful AI tools every professional should know, so stick around until the end. And if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to hit subscribe, give us a like, and share it with someone who could use these insights. Your support really helps us keep bringing you more valuable tools. Now, let's get ready, because right after this, I'll also introduce you to Genspark, a game-changing platform that takes your workflow to the next level. Let's dive in. How to analyze Excel files with AI. In one single prompt, go to Genspark, click AI Sheets, and upload your file. Now, enter a simple prompt like, create a detailed report based on the uploaded file. Include charts, insights, visualizations, and recommendations. Hit enter, and Genspark writes hundreds of lines of code, runs advanced analytics, and builds you a full professional report in minutes. You'll get checkmark clear insights, checkmark accurate graphs, checkmark smart visualizations, checkmark. Everything you need to know about your file. And the coolest part? You can ask follow-up questions like, compare sales by category and city, and it will instantly generate new visuals you can drag into your presentations. What used to take hours now takes a prompt. Now let's check out Brick, our final tool for today. Brick is an AI spreadsheet that feels like magic. Log in, open a free account, and upload the retail sales file. Right away, Brick asks whether you want a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. With just one click, it takes your data and creates everything. Here's the surprise. Even without typing a prompt, Brick creates an initial dashboard, charts, KPIs, insights. But the power is in the prompt. You can type something like, create a dashboard showing average sales per city, including pie chart, bar graph, and one key KPI. What's the top-selling product? Which city generates the most revenue? Which channel performs best? Brick instantly builds a custom layout and lets you tweak every chart. Click, customize colors, labels, it's totally yours. What used to take hours in Excel with macros and formulas, Brick does in seconds. You just choose what to see, and Brick does the rest. Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word "tools" in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.